What is the framework for safe, reliable and effective care, and how can it help you? It's a framework developed by IHI, the Institute for Healthcare Improvement, to help you to understand how to enable and encourage improvement to flourish. It helps you understand the many elements needed to build an enabling environment for your improvement efforts. It brings together succinctly in one place all the strategic, clinical and operational concepts that are critical to achieving safe, reliable and effective care. Leadership, psychological safety, accountability, teamwork and communication, negotiation, transparency, reliability, improvement and measurement, continuous learning. These are the concepts that inform the culture and learning system of your team, project and organisation. By identifying these, you can explore how the concepts interact with each other and see how you can create better systems and conditions to succeed in your improvement efforts. Using this approach ensures various strategies are not pursued in a vacuum without a full appreciation on how different approaches and initiatives impact one another. It's a guide to help you do what you are already doing better. In Wales, our NHS health boards and trusts are working with Improvement Cymru and IHI to use the framework for the Safe Care Collaborative, supporting the system to accelerate existing projects to improve patient and staff safety. This is an exciting new way of working in healthcare in Wales to contribute towards a better NHS Wales for staff and patients. To learn more about the framework for safe, reliable and effective care, visit ihi.org.